Hey, it's me again, Kate, your community manager from Teespring. So I know that we covered a couple of the tools and features available in your Teespring dashboard. I want to talk about a couple of more options or features that you can use to drive more sales with Teespring.
First, let's take a look at the Analytics section and Marketing section of your Teespring account. Within the Analytics section, you can adjust the date filters to see your top-selling listings and products within a specific period of time. And you can even see sales where one of your promotions was used. The Analytics section shows account performance overall. If you want to get more insight on a specific listing, then you can click on it to view that individual listing's analytics. To get additional insight on your shoppers and top-selling channels, we recommend using Teespring's Google Analytics integration too. To set this up, head to the Marketing tab within your Teespring account and add your Google Analytics tracking snippet. If you need help setting up your Google Analytics account and connecting it to Teespring, I've added a link to the description of this video with more info. Keep in mind Google Analytics is free to use, so we definitely recommend taking advantage of this powerful integration. So once you've gotten your first couple of sales, you'll want to become more familiar with the Messages section of your Teespring account. You can use this tool to message people who have purchased from a specific listing, or you can create groups of buyers to message all at once. The Messages tool is especially effective when used in conjunction with our Promotions tool. So for example, when you message buyers with a promo code to use on their next purchase. Some people might argue that the Payouts section is the most important section of your Teespring account. Once orders are dispatched to buyers, the profits from sales will be available for withdrawal here. So after you've entered your payout info in your account settings, then you can come here and click Start a Payout and we'll send you the profit. Payouts are processed within less than 7 days and sometimes as fast as 24 hours. I'll include a link in the description of this video if you want to learn more about how you can get faster payouts with Teespring. As you get more and more sales, you can check out the pricing discounts section of your account to see if you qualify for higher profit margins. With Teespring, the more products you sell per month, the more profit margin you can earn per sale. Use the pricing discount tab to monitor your sales progress and see if you qualify for additional pricing discounts. When you reach a new discount tier, you'll immediately notice the additional profit margin is applied when creating new products in the Teespring launcher. I'll include a link in the description of this video if you want to learn more about how Teespring's pricing discounts work.
So now you've got a couple more tools in your toolbox that you can use to drive more sales. Remember to add community@teespring.com to your list of contacts so that you can receive emails from me about new features and tools that we release in the coming weeks. Don't forget, if you need help at any time, you can contact sellers@teespring.com and our seller support team will be happy to assist you. If you want to learn more about these features and other Teespring tools available, then head over to the Teespring Training Center now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.